What's up guys? Welcome back to another tooltip video. Today we are going to have a look at how to email gate your quizzes. Let's get started. I will show you how to make this email gate and also how to send custom emails afterwards as well. Let's get right into it. So to set up an email gate, just add a new page to your project. Then all I'm going to do is drag and drop the contact form content element onto the page. I will just customize the title and add a small description. You can also add more fields if you like by just clicking on Add New, and then you have a range of options to select from. However, if you want to add a custom field that is not in these options, I have a video out on how to add custom fields to your contact form. You can click over here and watch it, or it will also be linked in the description below. Now let me show you how you can send custom emails afterwards. All you need to do is click on Publish at the corner of your screen, and you will arrive at the settings page. Here, just scroll down to email notifications and check the box that says Send Custom Email to Participants. Here, you can fully personalize and customize the email that gets sent to participants after a submission is completed. If you have several outcome pages on your project, you can even select to send different emails to different outcome pages. So I will just put Bobby in sender's name. If you want the reply to email address to be different from the one that you signed up with at InvolveMe, you can enter that in this box over here. Now I will personalize the subject line by typing in @ and selecting the first name of my participant. And then I will write thank you for completing. And then type in @ again and select the project name. This is a great way to increase the email open rate. You can also personalize the body of the email. So instead of hi there, I will delete there, type in @ and select first name again, and then you can write whatever you want in the body of the email. You can even attach a file here, or you can just copy and paste a link to where participants can download your free guide. To attach files, you just need to press this paperclip icon, and if you want to link anything, you can just press the link icon. If you want to see how the email looks before sending it to your participants, just click this paper airplane icon, and it will send a preview email to the email that you signed up with at InvolveMe. Make sure to click Update Settings, and you're all set to go. Now your quiz is email gated, and you also set up personalized email for each participant. Well, that is it for today's tooltip. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!